Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I'm a Saint Beauty artist, a DIY lash enthusiast, and a lover of all things beauty. So today's video is going to be a Get Unready with me, kind of taking you through my exfoliation night. Got a little look of my kitten Maverick. He is crazy. He's gonna meow through the whole video. Thank God it's muted because otherwise he's super annoying. And then he ended up leaving some fur on my skin or my lips. I had to wipe it away. So basically what I'm doing right now is I'm taking off my lashes. I love these Amazon lashes. I'll link them down below in case you like them as well. But basically what I'm doing is I'm taking the Lilac Street lash remover and I'm removing them. Then I'm taking the Garnier Micellar Water, and I love this stuff because it helps to remove my eye makeup but also the glitter. If you've ever used glitter, you know that it gets everywhere. This stuff is amazing for taking it off and completely removing it. Going back in with the Lilac Street lash remover, one of the biggest questions I get, the most question I get about DIY lashes is, do they damage your eyelashes? And the answer to that question is, to me, yes, they do. I think anything damages your eyelashes. I think even wearing mascara on a day-to-day basis will cause some kind of damage to your eyelashes. But what I love about the remover is if you take them off this way and you're very gentle when you remove the DIY lashes, you can really minimize that damage. So to me, if you do it the right way, you remove them the right way, it is no more damaging than mascara. So I'm kind of taking it through. You can see how that bond, that oil is breaking up that bond. I'm using the comb to kind of comb through the rest of my lashes to get all that glue off. It helps to get that tackiness off, and it helps to 100% remove it from my eyelashes. Then I'm going back in with the micellar water and just making sure all that glue is gone, all the makeup is gone, and that is a clean area. I'm using the same microfiber cloths. I love these. They are super soft. I will link them down below. They are great for removing your makeup. Next, I'm going in with the CeraVe Cleansing Balm. I love to double cleanse, and I really like this cleanser because not only is it affordable, you can get it everywhere, but it also is great for sensitive skin. I do use sunscreen every day, so what I love about this cleansing balm is it really helps to break down my Saint makeup, my cream foundation makeup, but also that sunscreen so that I can help to remove it, break down that stuff. So when I go in with the Tula cleanser that I'm going to show next, it really helps to make sure that I'm getting all that makeup off and my skin is super, super cleansed and ready to go. The two things that I'm showing right there, those little wrist things, those are from Amazon. If you're like me and you absolutely hate when you're washing your face, the water goes down your arms, this will help to catch that so your sleeves don't get wet. I hate that. It's a pet peeve. So I will link those down below in case you're interested because they are a lifesaver. Next, I'm going in with the Mary Kay Facial Radiance Peel. Can't remember what it's called, but I'll link it down below. I absolutely love this stuff. You guys know if you follow my channel, I used to be a Mary Kay consultant and I still use Mary Kay, still love Mary Kay skincare, still think that it does amazing things for my skin. And this facial peel is one of my top 5 products. Love it, love it, love it. And it's great for sensitive skin. Even though my skin right here looks red, that is more from just washing. As soon as I touch my skin, it turns red. So it's not the actual product that has made my skin red. It's just the fact that I'm touching my face. Next, after I exfoliate, I go in with the Mary Kay Moisture Gel Mask. I love using these things together because I go in, take the facial peel, I'll exfoliate, get all the gook off, all that extra skin off. Then I will go in and put the moisture gel mask on and really infuse my skin with that hydration. Next, I'm going in with the First Aid Beauty. This is a toner. Love it. This is great for sensitive skin, especially when I get out of the shower and my skin is really, really tight. The first thing I do is throw on the toner and it just helps to add that hydration in there. Great product. Love First Aid Beauty. Between First Aid Beauty and Mary Kay, those are probably my 2 most used products. Next, I'm going in with the Mary Kay Firming Eye Cream. I love this stuff. This has become my #1 favorite eye cream. I love it for the morning. Under my makeup, it does a great job of hydrating, but I also love it for the nighttime because it's a thick eye cream and it just really adds that moisture in that area, and I've noticed such a good difference. The neck cream that I'm using is Skin Medica. I got it from my med spa. Not sure if it works. I'll link it down below, to be determined. Then I'm going in with the Senegence Lash Serum. It's called Lash Extend. I use a lash serum every single day just because I do use DIY lashes a lot and want to make sure that I'm having that quick growth just to help combat any breakage that I do get. I will link that one down below. I'm not sure if it works. I've been using it. Seems to be working just fine. Then I go in with my moisturizer. This is from For the People. It is not an affordable product, but I really, really like it. On the nights that I do my exfoliation, I do not use my retinol. So I like to go in with the For the People moisturizer because it's nice and thick and adds that extra moisturizer, that moisturization into my skin, and really make sure that it's hydrated. And I'm just taking my time making sure that it's absorbed in my skin. Now I'm going in with the Ordinary Squalene Serum. I don't know how to say that. I love this stuff. It is super affordable. You can get it anywhere, and it really adds the hydration. It really makes sure that everything that I've used up to this point is locked into my skin. It feels amazing on my skin, and I've really, really noticed a difference since I've been using it. Now I'm going in with the Dr. Jart Ceramide Cream. I use this last because it is a barrier cream. It is literally going to create a barrier on your face. So especially in the winter months, it's going to make sure that everything I did below is going to be locked in and help with the hydration. Now I'm going in with the Grande Cosmetics Lip Plumping Mask. Love the way that it kind of plumps my lips and makes them moisturize, and that is it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Leave your questions below. Bye.